Ever wondered what the secret to luscious hair and radiant skin might be? We all grapple with common issues like dull skin and lifeless hair. But what if there was a natural, inexpensive solution to these problems? The secret lies in a simple, everyday ingredient: rice water. Rice water, the starchy liquid left over after soaking or cooking rice, is a treasure trove of benefits. This unassuming byproduct of your kitchen routine is a powerhouse of hair health. It reduces split ends and breakage, promotes growth, and adds shine. Considered a time-honored tradition in many cultures, rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish your hair from root to tip, giving it strength and vitality. But the magic of rice water doesn't stop there. It's a boon for your skin too. It aids in maintaining skin elasticity, reducing inflammation, and acting as a natural cleanser. Rice water is packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and vibrant. It's gentle yet effective, making it suitable for all skin types. With these benefits, it's no wonder that rice water is a hidden gem in the beauty world. To summarize, rice water is a miracle potion for your hair and skin. This humble liquid works wonders, promoting hair health and giving your skin a radiant glow. So next time you cook rice, don't throw away the water. It's your secret weapon to combat hair and skin problems. Isn't it time you gave rice water a try? Imagine harnessing the power of this ancient beauty secret from the comfort of your home. Picture the transformation, the glowing skin, the lustrous hair. It's inexpensive, it's natural, and it's a solution waiting to be tried. So why wait? Start your rice water journey today. Stay tuned for more beauty secrets unraveled. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.